We have a couple areas to watch in the Western Pacific today. One, a tropical wave now moving across the southern half of the Philippines. Kind of interesting out here. It's going to increase showers from Mindanao, Visayas, and yeah, even over towards Manila and Luzon, and then just towards the north and west of Taiwan, moving across southeastern China. The remnants of Wutip, which is racing towards the north and east. And you know what? This thing's weakening out, getting wrapped up with the westerlies, and overall losing a lot of its tropical characteristics, but still bringing messy weather there across southeastern areas of China, where there's already been flooding reported in a few areas here as it kicks off, and even heading out towards the Yangtze River Basin with that rainfall. But back to the broader picture and our forecast, because I make these updates not to just say what's happening now, but how about what's going to be happening over the next few days. And number one thing right now, I think, is our tropical wave for the Philippines. If we're talking specifically tropics, this area is going to increase showers from Mindanao and parts of Visayas even as we go ahead through our day here on Monday, but all of it's shifting towards the north and west. So we take a look at our hour-by-hour futurecast with the outlook. Remember the time frame always right there in the top right of your screen. You can see our tropical wave passing over Cebu here as we go ahead through your Monday morning. Really, it's not until the afternoon when you get that daytime heating kicking in, and even for Manila on Monday over towards Tuesday, we're going to see that increase in the showers. Now, is this going to be widespread, enhanced, habagat, flooding, rain type deal? No, and not saying that it's going to be by any means, but it is going to increase the instability with those scattered showers during the afternoon on Monday, Tuesday, and even over towards Wednesday. That means there is that chance of maybe some low-lying or poor drainage area flooding, but just in general, it's just this big area of instability with those afternoon showers picking up. And we see where the heaviest the rain is going to be for the Philippines as we go ahead through our day here on Tuesday over towards Wednesday. That flow coming in from the south and east and moving off towards the north and west. All right, so here's your forecast for Monday, and yeah, good portion of Visayas still looking at showers. Here's Tacloban, Cebu got that rainfall. Afternoon showers even into Legazpi there across the Bicol region. And then we head back towards the west with the chance of rain into Palawan, but I think more so across parts of Visayas. And then we move off towards the north into Manila. Showers, of course, here on our Monday, and even into parts of Region 2 and 1. But I think you're going to see the heavier precipitation as we go ahead through the days here on Wednesday. All right, so look at the broader picture. Of course, what is left, let's actually rewind this just a little bit. So we have what is left of Wutip right in there, but watch as that races off towards the north and east and gets sheared apart with the rainy season front. Gonna bring some messy weather for southwestern areas of Japan, specifically in Kyushu. I think Okinawa will miss out on it. Meanwhile, if we look behind our little tropical wave moving across the Philippines, nothing really developing in the main formation area. Even in the long-range forecast, GFS is the only model really picking up on something east of Guam, but just in general, it's nothing I'm too terribly concerned about, and that's why I'm not really focusing on it too much, at least at this time. So for now, Wutip continues the week, and we have a weak tropical wave moving across the Philippines, bringing scattered showers to start off the work week. No big threats throughout that extended forecast. Of course, if you have any questions, though, I'd love to hear from you and see what you think about our forecast here. Or if you want to support the channel, check out our Patreon. Really, I probably would have stopped making these updates a long time ago if it wasn't for our Patreon members. So I want to say once again a big thank you for everybody that supports the channel, and I can't stress enough just how awesome you are. All right, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, friends. Bye.